And in this video I'll be showing y'all how to do a fall makeup look. All the products that I'll be using will be linked in the description below, so if you want to check them out, they're in the description. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, to start off, I don't have any makeup on. Kind of looking a little like a potato. But to start off, I am going to take my moisturizer and I'm just going to rub it all over my face to moisten up my face. I find when I put just plain products on my face and my face is really dry, then everything just looks crackly and just not as smooth as I want it to be. So I'm just going to rub this all over my face to moisturize my face. And once I do that, I'm going to go in with this spray to double moisturize my face. I'm going to start off by putting on my foundation. I'm going to go in and put this foundation on. It's matte and poreless. And then I'm just going to take my beauty blender. She's a little dirty. I probably should have cleaned it. I'm just going to put it like dots all over my face. The reason why I like this foundation is because it's really light. Even though it is matte, it is really light and it doesn't make your face dry. I've used foundations where right after I put it on, my face looks like a desert. You really want to get it down your neck too, because ain't nobody trying to have a farmer's tan out here. And I'm even going to rub some of it into my scalp. Once I look like Casper the Scary Ghost out here, really, you know, fits my theme, some spooky vibes. But I'm gonna go in with this concealer, and I do use more than one concealer because some areas, like under my eyes, I have to conceal more than just like little pimples on my forehead. And I'm just gonna lighten. I love to just go in and lighten these areas with the concealer. You know how it is. Or I do use two concealers. So I'm going to take this one, and as you can see, I still have some redness under my eyes, so I'm just going to go in with this and really get down in there. So once I packed it on there, you can tell my eyes aren't nearly as red as they were before. I'm going to take this eye primer and just put it over my eyes. After I do my eye primer, I go in with some powder, and I actually go in with two different powders. This powder is great because it has a little bit of a tint to it. Powder is great to use because it doesn't make your face look as oily. After that, I'm going to go in with this HD powder, and I'm just going to pat her in there too. After I do my powder, I'm going to go in with this. I love this product not only because the colors are so cute, but because it is a vegan product and it is cruelty free. I personally like to use vegan products when I can. Obviously, I don't do that for all of my products, but I like to do it when I can because I am in support of the environment. Okay, so to start off, I'm just gonna go in this orangey pink color with my big brush, and I'm just gonna put it on my cheek areas. And I love this color because it is a orangey color. When I think of fall makeup looks, I think of just orange and yellow leaves on the trees. One of the reasons I like to put a lot of blush on is because I think during the fall, most people naturally have rosy cheeks. I like to go in with a little bit of blush on my nose so it all comes together like a little cute vibe. So after I have my blush on, I'm going to go in with a different brush and I'm just going to dive right into my bronzer. And I'm just going to go ham because my face right now looks like this wall. For my eyebrows, I use 3 different products, but I shape them up with a concealer. After I position them to where I want, I'm going to go in with my clear brow gel. I'm going to go into my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil. Then you want to go in with some colored gel. Once my eyebrows are done as far as putting product on them, I like to go back in with my concealer and I like to put a line over my eyebrow and under my eyebrow to really shape it up. Now that I've finished my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with this palette. That's gorgeous! So to start off, I'm going to take a little fluffy brush and I'm going to go into the color Provoked, and then I'm just going to put it in the crease of my eyelid. Now that I'm done with that orangey shade, I'm going to go into the shade Provocative and I am going to put that in the crease to darken it up as well. When I'm done with those colors, I'm going to go into the shade Persevere and I'm going to put it on the corners of my eye. Once you're done with the corners of your eyes, you're going to want to go in with that same color, Persevere, and you're going to want to go in on your bottom lash line. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with the color Awaken and I'm going to put it right under my brow bone to really make it pop. Now I'm going to go in with this liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to go in with this mascara and I'm going to put it on my top and bottom lashes. Now I'm going to go in with these false eyelashes. Alright, and my lashes are on. Now I'm going to go in with some of this highlighter. Now lastly, we're going to do my lips. And I will be using this. And voila! Your fall makeup look is complete. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. All my social medias are linked in the description below, as well as all the makeup products I used in this video, so check them out. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!